Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to do the NC Test online tutorial, which is a requirement for us to do before we take any um, state online test. The good news for you guys is that now that you've done it once, you don't have to do it again. So what you're going to do is your teacher is going to send you this form. When you get it, you'll click on this link. When you click on this link, you'll see that it takes you straight to the North Carolina Testing Online program. The first thing you need to do is watch a tutorial video about all the tools and the question items that are on an NC test. What you should remember is that this video is made generically, which means it's made for all different types of audiences. It's made for high schoolers, it's made for third graders, all students and all different kinds of tests. So on the tutorial, they're going to talk about open-ended questions and grid questions, all kinds of different questions, but yours is only multiple choice. Again, yours is only multiple choice. You will either watch this as a class or on your own by clicking play. It is long. It's 20 minutes, just about 20 minutes long, but it is something you need to watch. When you finish it, you will click the X. Then you will go here to click on Beginning of Grade 3 Reading Tutorial. Okay, so you watch the tutorial on the test. Now this is on the actual BOG, which is the test that you guys will be taking. Once you click on that, you click on Login. When you get to this page, it's going to have your name over here in the left-hand corner, and then it's going to say Silk Hope School. So it'll be all specific to you, but this particular activity, again, is generic so that you can see what the questions look like. And it'll ask you, this is the beginning of grade 3 reading tutorial for Leanne Cardman, Silk Hope School. Okay, or it's going to say your name, obviously, but you'll want to make sure you let your teacher know if it is not your name. Then you're going to get some questions, and you'll read the selection, and then you'll choose one of the multiple choice answers. When you do this, you will have an opportunity to use all of these tools. So you can turn on the highlighter. You can strike through text. So I can say, I don't want to see that anymore. Well, maybe not. It's not working. But you can definitely highlight. It has an interesting body, right? You can turn off the highlighter, and you can strike through. But that's not working right now, but they might show you a different way in the tutorial. If you come across one that's hard and you want to come back to it, you can click on flag and it will show up at the end. Once you finish all 9 of the questions on the practice activity, it will bring you to a test summary page. The test summary page shows you which questions you have answered by showing you a star, which ones you have flagged by putting a question mark. And if there is nothing in the spot, that means you skipped one. So I can see that I skipped one here. The question is, how do you get back to it? You click on that number and then answer the question. Then click on review and you'll see a star there. So I'm going to go back to 7. I haven't read any of these, so I'm going to just guess. Okay. And then when I'm done, I let my teacher know I'm done. Being finished means that I checked over my answers. I'm sure that I answered something for every one of the questions. And I let my teacher know before I click end test. But then I want to make sure that I really do click end test. And then on the very last page, I'm going to click exit. When you finish and you click on exit, it will take you right back to this form. This part is very, very important. You need to type in your name, your first and your last name. Please make sure you do both. Then you're going to put in the date, the day you're doing this activity. You're going to click 3rd grade. And then you're going to say that you have, yes, completed the tutorial and practice questions. Then you'll click submit. Again, it's very important that we not skip this step. Okay, That's it, guys. Remember, the BOG is not really a test you can pass or fail. It's more about getting a baseline and understanding where we are. We just want to grow from this point to the end of the year. However, if you do make a certain score on the test, it could be a way for you to be able to um, use that as a pathway for Read to Achieve, which your teachers and I will explain more to you as the year goes on. All right. Have a great day. Can't wait to see you all soon.